Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bluesky app. Stick around till the end to learn the steps to get started with this exciting platform. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device and then click on the search icon. Then in the search bar type Blue Sky Social and then hit enter button. Now look for the official Blue Sky app in the search results. It will usually have a recognizable logo. Now, click on the app name to open its detailed page. Then, press the download button to start the installation process. Then, wait a few minutes for the app to download and install onto your device. And also ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this process. Once the installation is complete, click on Open to launch the app. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen and then you can start creating your account on Blue Sky. And that's how you can download and install the Blue Sky app on your device. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.